everyone, welcome back to the Skull Marketing YouTube channel. I am Sophia with the social team, and today we have a very exciting topic to talk about, which is 10 things you should know before starting your e-commerce business in 2023. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur and you're just kind of looking to expand your digital presence, or you're a newbie and you're just kind of ready to take the plunge and get started, these insights will be very invaluable for your e-commerce journey. So let's dive right in. Before you jump into the e-commerce arena, you need to do a little bit of comprehensive market research. This is going to be your guiding light into this dynamic world, if you will. Understand your target audience and their preferences, and go a little bit deeper into their pain points. Analyze your competitors and identify gaps in the market that you can leverage, and remember, knowledge is power. Choosing the right niche is so important. It should align with your interests, have an adequate demand, but not be too overly saturated. Striking the right balance between passion and profit is key, and after all, your niche is the foundation of your business. You should familiarize yourself with various e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and select one that aligns with your business model and your budget. Each platform has its own set of features and customization options, so choose wisely. Mobile optimization is no longer an option, it's a necessity. As more consumers are shopping on their mobile devices, you need to ensure that your website is responsive and offers a seamless mobile experience. Your customers should have a smooth ride no matter what device they're using. Understand the payment preferences of your target audience and make sure you provide a secure and convenient payment for processing. This includes supporting credit cards, digital wallets, and other popular methods. It's all about making the checkout process a breeze. Develop a clear shipping strategy. Accurately calculate the shipping costs and establish fulfillment logistics and fulfillment processes to meet customer expectations for timely deliveries. Trust me, happy customers love timely deliveries. Security breaches can have devastating consequences. Prioritize your website security with SSL certificates and other measures to protect your customer data and build trust. Your customers need to feel safe when shopping with you. A successful e-commerce business relies heavily on effective digital marketing. Craft a comprehensive marketing plan that includes SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, paid advertising. Staying updated with digital marketing trends is vital. Remember, this is where your business meets your audience. Excellent customer support is a competitive advantage. You need to provide multiple channels for your customers to be able to reach out, such as live chat, email, social media. Prompt and helpful responses enhance and improve the overall customer experience. Happy customers, happy business. Last but not least, stay informed of e-commerce regulations. Ensure your business operates within legal boundaries, respects customer privacy, and builds trust by handling data responsibly. Legal compliance is not an option, it's a necessity. In the ever-changing landscape of e-commerce, keeping these 10 factors in mind will set you on the path to success. I promise. Just remember that adaptability and continuous learning are key to thriving in this dynamic industry. Whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your existing e-commerce venture, these insights will serve as a great foundation for a prosperous 2023 and 2024 and beyond. That's a wrap for today's video. Thank you all so much for tuning in. If you found any of the information helpful or useful, feel free to let us know by dropping a like, comment, or subscribe if you haven't already. That would help us out a lot. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, leave a comment down below, or our contact information will be in the description bar. We will see you guys in the next video.